this is the way. So the number one industry in the state of Oklahoma today is our oil and gas industry. You know that, I know that. The second largest, most powerful, influential industry in the state of Oklahoma is our aerospace industry. And I would argue that within the next decade, it will be the number one industry in our state.
So the impact of Choose Aerospace on the aviation workforce, I feel like is going to be huge. Everyone knows about the shortage of pilots in the industry, but what people don't see is the shortage of mechanics. We're going to need mechanics long after we have a need for pilots, or long after that demand is over, because someone still has to maintain the equipment and the aerospace vehicles that are out there flying. So the Choose Aerospace curriculum and the backgrounds that these kiddos are going to get are going to help propel that and help maintain a substantial, sustainable workforce in Oklahoma and nationwide.
When schools ask me, well, what should I teach in the STEM area? The first question I ask is, what is the industry in the area and what are their needs? We have been hearing that for years, that the industry needs those technicians on this side of the state, on the other side of the state. It doesn't matter where you are in the state, they need those technicians.
We've got to tell kids, and working adults for that matter, that there are amazing opportunities when it comes to aviation and aerospace. And we now have more curriculum in our high schools than any other state in the country. We need this exponential growth to continue aggressively over the next 10 years to give your kids and my kids every opportunity and excuse to be able to stay in this state.
The Lieutenant Governor talked about opportunities for our kids to have a good living and stay here in Oklahoma, and that is something that's very important to our families in Okmulgee. We just need more industry partners and industry help, so this is a perfect thing for us. This is a missing piece for us.
Our Southern Oklahoma Technology Center has a brand new aviation program where our AMP program is not quite FAA certified yet. We're off to a good start, but we'd sure like to have it more saturated. We want people to be excited about this industry, and we want to get these students excited. And so it's so important to be here to support these guys because they are making a difference here.
We've planted our flag on this, just like some other states have. We are going all in on aerospace. And that means the resources have to come to you. This is the first of many of these, I hope, in this part of the state and across the state to make Oklahoma the best place to choose aerospace. So thank you all so much. Enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you all so much.